Hello students, welcome to my channel Science World, and if you find this video useful for you, then please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon so that you can get notification of my upcoming videos. Okay, so let us start today's topic. Today's topic is longitudes. We are reading about the grids on the earth. Okay, and today's topic is longitudes. Now in our last video we have discussed about the latitudes. Okay, latitudes are the imaginary lines drawn horizontally, okay, on the earth. But what is about this longitudes? Longitudes are these are also imaginary lines drawn vertically. These are drawn vertically from North Pole to the South Pole. So longitudes are imaginary lines drawn vertically from North Pole to the South Pole. Okay, and these are also called meridians. Longitudes are also called meridians. Okay. These lines are also called meridians, and the line which passes at Greenwich near London, okay, the line that passes at Greenwich near London is the most important longitude and is marked as 0 degrees. This line is marked at 0 degree, and this line is known as the prime meridian. Means as we have given the 0 degree latitude one special name, and that name is equator. Okay, equator is the 0 degree latitude. In the same way, prime meridian is the 0 degree longitude. Okay, prime meridian is the 0 degree longitude. Okay, in the same way as equator is there, but equator is the horizontal line and longitude is the vertical line on the earth. Okay, so how many longitudes are there in total? There are 360 longitudes. There are 180 longitudes on either side of the prime meridian. This 0 degree prime meridian is there. So on the both the sides of this prime meridian there are 180 longitudes. They appear vertical. When we see on the globe or on the map, they appear vertical, but they are actually halves of the circle. They are the halves of the circles of the same length. Means they are the half part of the circle. Okay, then what is the distance between the longitudes? Okay, what is the distance between the longitudes? We have seen that the distance between the latitudes never increases or decreases. They are running parallel to each other, but the distance between the longitude is maximum at the equator and minimum at the poles. Maximum at the equator and minimum at the pole. So we can see like this. Suppose these are the two longitudes. Okay, these are two longitudes. This is the equator. So the distance at the equator, it is the maximum here, and as you go towards the pole, this distance is decreasing. This distance is decreasing, and at the pole it is the minimum distance. At the equator it is maximum distance. Okay, they are never parallel to each other. They are not going parallel to each other. Okay, they are not going parallel to each other. They are marked as 180 degree east and 180 degree west. In latitudes, how we will write? North and south, but here we write east and west. The length of one longitude, length of each longitude is 12,416 miles. 12,416 miles. It is near about 19,000 kilometer. Near about 19,000 kilometer. Okay, it is more than 19,000 kilometer. Length of each longitude. Okay, then 180 degree east and 180 degree west are the same longitudes. These are the same longitudes, and it is called the international date line. Okay, we will discuss it afterwards. Now I am going to show you the globe. On the globe we will see the longitudes. Okay, here again I have this globe. Now here you can see these vertical lines. These vertical lines you can see here, this one, again this one. You can see here at the equator, the distance between the two lines, two longitudes, the distance is greater or maximum. But as you move towards the pole here, at the pole it is minimum, the distance is minimum here between these two longitudes. Okay, and at the pole it is 0 here. Here all the longitudes are meeting here. All the longitudes are meeting at the North Pole also and at the South Pole also here. Here it is the picture of these meridians of longitude. Okay, these meridians you can see, this prime meridian, it is of 0 degree. Okay, this 0 degree you can see here, and opposite to this 0 degree is 180 degree meridian. Okay, 180 degree meridian opposite to this prime meridian, it is 180 degree meridian, or we can say longitude, and it is known as the international date line. Okay, and this 180 degree longitude, it is the 180 degree east and 180 degree west, both are the same, that is 180 degree longitude, and it is known as the international date line. What is international date line? That I will tell you. This date line, when you pass across this date line, okay, then when you move towards the east, if you are passing and going towards the east, then the date and the day changes. You go backwards, one day back you go. And if you cross this date line towards the west, if you are going to the west, then the date and day changes, and it is your next day or next date. Suppose you are in the eastern part and you are crossing this 180 degree longitude here, and suppose here it is Monday, then when you cross this 180 degree longitude, then as you cross this, the day will be changed. Monday will become Tuesday, and date will also change. Suppose it is 5 date is here, 5th is there in the calendar, then as you cross this line, you will get the next date, that is 6th. Okay, so date also changes and the day also changes. So this is the international date line. 0 degree prime meridian, okay, it is the international or we can say time zone. This 0 degree latitude longitude is used to divide the world into different time zones. Okay, that we will talk about in our next video. Okay, so these are the longitudes you can see here. All these longitudes are meeting at North Pole and South Pole. Okay, this is North Pole and this is South Pole. You can see here, if you will start from the 0, then you go to the east. This is 30 degree, 15, then 30. Okay, then here 45 degree, then 60 degree east, then here it is 90 degree east. Then as you go to the 180 degrees east, then from west, if you start here 30 degree west, then 60 degree west, then 90 degree west, then 120, 150, and here 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree east, 180 degree west, both are same line it is. Okay, so these are the longitudes. Here you can see the distance is more in between these two longitudes, it is maximum, and as you go towards the poles, the distance between the two longitudes is decreasing, and at 0, at 90 degree, here we can say North Pole, it is 0. Okay, so this is all about the latitudes, or we can say meridians of the earth. So in our next video we will discuss about the time zones of the world. Okay, till then take care, goodbye.